So hello everyone. The next thing is going to be you have to take some section of your hair from the front like this and then make for the voluminous appearance you have to comb your hairs in the different sides so that you will get hairs like this. Now use lots and lots of hair setting spray so that your hairs will be intact like this, and we are making some rose petals with your hairs. That's how you all can make it. And yeah, I don't know what to say about this design, but yeah, then braiding your hairs from the front, which the ones which are left, and you have to give an appearance like this. So it's easy, and you have to repeat the same process the one we did in the other side, left side. You have to repeat the same process on the right side, and that's it. You all can make a design like this. Okay, so this is done. Now taking your hairs and making the matte design like this, the way we already made earlier. So that's how you can achieve a result like this. And this thing, I think we have taught you this design earlier also, but and once again, if you didn't get it last time, you can get it this time. And yeah, so this one is nice. I think that's something different we have never taught you. No, actually, I have never seen this one. So yeah, if you want, you all can make it this way. Now making a pony of your hairs and then twisting them and making a bun like this, securing it with a bun pin. Now making two sections of the left hairs and then putting a rubber band to secure your hair and make a bun like this, and then braiding your hairs will give you a design like this, and that's it. So if you want, you all can make it. It's quite nice, I think, and that's it. If you want, you can put some pins, some hair pins if you want, ornament ones. Okay, now the next thing is going to be we are braiding your hairs, but this time in a different style. You don't completely have to braid a section of your hair from 3 strands. You have to braid only with the 2 ones and leave the other one like this. So it's also a matte design only, but this time it's a very little twisty. So if you want, you all can make this one if you didn't get the last one. Yeah, so it's done. And for the voluminous appearance, as always, you have to take some hairs out, and that's it. The next design is going to be you have to take 2 sections of your hair from each side and then make a braid with them. Now again make a braid with the left hairs, and you have to repeat the process. You have to take out the braid from beneath bottom of the other one, and that's how you can achieve. And you have to repeat the process again and again until the length of your hair is completed, and in the end you have to secure them with a rubber band. So that's how you can get a ponytail, and it's quite nice and easy to make for summers. Okay, the next is going to be you have to take a section of your hair from the front and make a braid, but this time we are making a side French braid. So if you want, you all can make it this way. It's quite easy to make. Every time you braid your hair, you have to take a 1 strand from each side, and then to give it a voluminous appearance, you have to take some section of your hairs out. Now if you want, you all can make it this way, or else you can braid them in a French braid completely. That's how you all can get a result like this one. It's quite easy to make, and it looks quite nice. So yeah, that's how you can make and achieve this design. The next is going to be first you have to make a ponytail, and then with the help of this tool you have to take some section of your hairs inside this like this. You'll get a flowery appearance, and then you have to join your hairs, and that's it. So I don't know what to say about this one, but yeah, if you want, you all can make it into a bun if you want, or else just leave them like this. It's also something nice and something new. I've never seen this one anywhere. So yeah, if you want, you all can make it this way. Now the next is going to be you have to make a ponytail with your hairs, and then again securing your hair from a little length, and then taking out the rest of the hairs like this, so you will get an appearance like this. And then with this tool you have to take some hairs out from the bottom, and that's it. Now in the bottom part you have to make a braid and put it like this. So yeah, it's done, and it was quite a breezy design. The next design is going to be you have to make a pony with the hairs, but don't make with the whole hairs. You have to leave some hairs. Now taking some hairs from the front and using a lots of hairspray, you have to make this petal design. I think we have taught you this a number of times. So if you want, you all can make it this way and make this rose petal and secure these petals with Juda pins if you have them, and that's it. Now the next design is going to be first you have to take 2 sections of your hair and make a pony with them. Now taking a strand of your hair and putting it from the inside to outside from the one we already made. This will give you a heart appearance, and then you have to repeat the same process like this to get an appearance like this, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video.